Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly post anonymously on Facebook groups from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the reason for that is because all of the functions and integrations are built in for you to post anonymously on Facebook groups. So pretty much everything you need is on Facebook, so you don't need any special tricks or tools or plugins to install to actually post anonymously. However, there's a catch, which I'll get to later. So the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your account on Facebook, and then you would want to go to the particular group that you would want to add a post to. So in this case, I'm going to go to groups, and I'm going to go to this particular group, Cobra Kai fans, and then right away you guys will see that there's an option for anonymous posting. So I'm going to click on it just like so. And if you read the description, it goes, anonymous posts published in the group do not include your name or profile photo. However, admins and moderators of this of the Facebook systems can see your name and profile photo. So details pertaining to you, details you include in an anonymous post could reveal your identity. So you want to make sure that you guys are discreet when you go to post anonymously on Facebook. So this is to say that admins on Facebook, like the actual meta team, so not like the admins of this group, can see your details and information. So this is to say that you guys are able to post anonymously without any problems. However, you want to make sure that you don't disclose any sensitive information regarding yourself when you create a post anonymously. So from here, simply click on create anonymous post, and then you would want to basically just say whatever, like say a controversial opinion, like let's say that I think um uh Johnny is stronger than Daniel. So obviously this is a controversial take on the show Cobra Kai, so people are going to disagree with you. Some may agree, but I actually disagree with this. Daniel's 100% stronger than Johnny, but this way you don't leave a trail to your profile, so people won't go to attack you directly or send you DMs saying, "Oh, you're wrong," or disagree with you, or send like let's say unsavory remarks about your posts and whatnot. So yeah, that's basically how you guys get to do it. So from here, simply hit submit, and what they will see is this anonymous member. So they're not gonna see your name or your profile picture, and there's no way for them to actually trace you back to your profile. So there's not going to be an embed or a redirect link when they click on the post itself. So there you guys go. That's how you do it. It's quite simple. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.